Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your resume using Canva. Whether you want to direct employers to your portfolio, LinkedIn, or a personal website, this is a super useful skill that can really make your resume stand out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a professional-looking resume with interactive links, and you'll be ready to share it anywhere you need to. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a really user-friendly design platform that makes things like resumes surprisingly easy. Once you're on the homepage, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually in the top right corner. Click that and then just type resume into the search bar. Canva has tons of pre-made resume templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. This makes the whole process much faster and lets you focus on making your resume truly your own. Choose a template that feels right for the type of job or industry you're in. For example, if you're applying for a creative role, you might choose something a little more colorful. For corporate jobs, maybe stick with something clean and professional. Don't worry too much about the details yet. You'll be able to tweak everything in a moment. Now go ahead and start filling the template with your information. Replace the placeholder text with your name, job title, experience, education, and all the things that make you unique as a candidate. Take your time here. Think of your resume as your own personal billboard. You want it to be clear, concise, and uniquely you. Here comes the important part, adding your link. Scroll to the section where you want your website or LinkedIn to appear. Usually people put this near the top with their contact information. Highlight the text you want to turn into a link, like your website address or portfolio link. Then right-click on that highlighted text, and in the menu that pops up, find and select the option that says Link. If you're not seeing it right away, it might appear as a small chain icon in the toolbar above. Click into that and a little box will show up where you can type or paste your own web page link. Make sure you enter the link accurately. You don't want those hearing managers ending up somewhere unexpected. Press enter, and you'll notice the text usually changes color or gets underlined, showing that it's now a clickable link. Once you've got all your info in place and your link added, take a quick moment to look everything over. Is everything spelled correctly? Does the link work when you preview it? It's always worth double-checking before you share your resume with anyone. Now you're ready to download your resume as a PDF. And this step is important because only the PDF version will keep your links clickable. Hit the download button in the top right. It looks like a down arrow. Choose PDF and wait for Canva to prepare your file. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Remember, the PDF format is pretty much universally accepted, so you'll be able to upload it almost anywhere. And that's it. You now have a sleek, clickable resume ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions or run into any trouble, and subscribe for more straightforward design tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with your job hunt.